guys, it's Marissa. I hope you are all keeping safe and staying healthy and keeping everyone around you safe too. End of March, last week of March, I received an email from Webster Pages, and they are having a warehouse sale, and it is 85% off retail prices. I was so excited. So the package was $35. I received it last week and I held on to it, and I figured I'm gonna open it with you guys. So yes, this is an unboxing. So without further ado, let me go ahead and unbox this and see what we got, what kind of goodies we got. Okay, this is I'm always having a hard time unboxing. I can't figure out the boxes. There you go. Let's see, I'm gonna be very careful with this because I want to get into it. And here's our box. Okay guys, I'm so excited. I'm just gonna go ahead and open the box. Oh, I think it's backwards. I think this is the bottom that I opened. Here's the goodies, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me just get to this goodies one by one. First one, that's a very I guess bottom or top, however you want to look at it, is this purple thing. Oh wow, you can put your stuff in here, your embellishments and journaling stuff. I like that. Okay, let's see what we else have. We have tiny craft bags here, and I think there's supposed to be 3. There you go, there they are. These are the New Year, New You. This is postcards from Paris too, and this is again New Year, New You. 2 of them from the same line. Next item are the designer paper clips. And then you have this post-it tabs, looks like. You see them? So cute. Okay, and the next item we have here are Hello World. They are elephants. Oh, they're for babies. I only saw the elephants. I guess there's some onesies here too. Next one, oh my gosh, these are cute. These are again Hello World. And they are bubbles, speech bubbles, and we have some birds here too. I like that they're silver. A lot of this, it looks like, are the speech bubbles. Next item here is the designer cameos, and they are recorded. That's the recorded line. Oh, I love this. So I'm already seeing items here that I will never use. So what I'm planning to do is on my next week's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you which ones I am not going to use out of this, and then maybe we can do something about that and send it to some of you guys who could use it. These are days of the week. I'm not sure what these are. I'm not curious what it is. Ew, journaling spots, journaling stuff. Good, I need this. I could use this. These are the journaling card sets. Oh my gosh, I could use this. And I love that they come in this CD type thing. Oh, these are cute. I can use this. Okay, the next ones are, these are cute. Look at them. They're cameos again, perfect accents. Oh, they're resin embellishments. They're cameos. Look how cute they are, guys. Cute. Okay, here's another post-it tabs. I can use that. And then, oh, look at this. Designer charms. These are cute too. And they're white bells. These are cute. And then another set of designer charms. 10 pieces of butterflies. Aren't they cute? And then we have here some blank notepads, looks like. This is cute too. I could use this for journaling. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. Then we have buttons. And these are actually flat-ish buttons, and they are cute too. These are cardstocks. And then you have twine there too. So it's not a long twine. Maybe about 8 inches or maybe 12 inches. Not bad. But look at all this different cardstock or no, chipboard buttons. And then we have here practically the same thing, different yeah, this is a different collection, looks like. I can't read where the collections are, but these are cute. I could use this. Perfect. And then you have fabric tickets. Look guys, how cute. How so cute. And then we have here fabric ribbons. Look, the one at the top. I love that. Oh, this is cute too. Birthday. Oh good, I'm working on my birthday album. And then, ooh, what are this? Ew, these are cute. Are these stickers? Oh yeah, guys, they are stickers. They're circle stickers. Look how cute they are. And then each one of them is separated. See? How cute. I like this. And then this one is, what does it say? I love you in the middle. And then this one is new beginnings. How cute. Then what do we have here? We have tags and prompt stickers. These are cute. These are so cute. And they're from the Best Friends line. Best Friends tags and prompts. And then we have, this is Once Upon a Halloween Sentiments. Not bad, you guys. Look at that. Another Halloween. Cute. So, so cute. And then we have some alphabets here. I like the alphabets. I like the colors that they came in. And then we have image and phrases stickers. Ew, this is cute too. Heritage colors, yeah. And then we have this again. This is from the Seaside Retreat line. Cute stuff. And then we have another image and phrases. And this is from, what does it say? I cannot see. Trendsetter. Cute, 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 cute. And then, ooh, I like this. Alphabets. I love this. I love scripts. So I can definitely use. And then, papers. Okay, guys, and that should be it. Oops. And we got the papers. This is actually Magical Wishes line. How cute. So cute, guys. And then we have the papers here. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put this on the side And then so we can look at our papers, because you know me, that's my favoriteest part, are the papers. Okay guys, let's look at the papers. It's quite a bit. I'm gonna go through this fast because it's quite a bit of papers. There's 2 of each of these papers, looks like. This feels like plastic on top. See how shiny it is? I don't know, maybe this is a overlay. Yes, it is. I have 2 of them. Oh my gosh, guys, is it worth $35? Let me know what you think. Is it worth 35 bucks? So that's how much I paid for this. Tell me in the comment section below. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed looking through this Webster's Pages warehouse haul that I have. And yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. If this is your first time in my channel, I hope you like it, and if you do, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, if you've been watching for a while, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And to my supporters who watch me every time I upload a video, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you guys. Please be safe and keep everyone safe around you. Thank you, and see you later. Bye.